What is up, YouTube? Andre Reyes back with another video, and today I finally got a haircut. It's been probably close to 4 or 5 years. I usually cut my own hair because I don't want to go into the barbershop and get a haircut and have them mess up my hairline at the time. I feel like anybody else that had a bad hairline, I feel like it takes one mess up and one bad lineup for you just to cut it all off. So I went to my barber that I've been going to since I was probably 14, 15. It was good to go in there with the thought of, not being so nervous of how it's gonna turn out. So I just got a tape and a lineup, and I kept my hair pretty much long on the top. I do have a little bit of fibers up in the crown area because we went to a couple stores. So besides that, everything else is normal. This is 11 months. 11 months since I had my procedure. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna play with a few different haircuts. I might start getting a bald fade on the side just to see how the dome area looks. I'm pretty happy with it. It's been a long time since I had a nice haircut and felt good about myself. So I'll show you guys the cut. So the front, obviously, she kind of left it kind of like natural. It's not like a straight line. She kind of left it natural. I mean, I spoke to her about, what the process I'm going through as far as just getting a hair transplant. So I'll show you the right side. And if I need to brush it and redo it, I'll brush my hair and redo it. I don't want it to be looking crazy on, you know what I'm saying? The back. And that's it, man. I need to show you guys what I looked like before. It was so bad. My hairline was literally back here. And then all this was thinning to now look. I even got some waves coming in. So just a rundown if you haven't looked at my previous videos. So almost 6K grafts. I didn't want to go twice. I didn't want to pay twice. I didn't want to go through those numbing needles twice, or just the process in general. If I ever go back to Turkey to just go see the mosques and stuff, not to get a hair transplant. Black and white, if that helps you guys with like the texture of my hair. I paid $2,500 without the flight. I used antiseptic cream on the donor area. Been on biotin, a regular multivitamin, and fish oil throughout the process. And I started eating cleaner. When I first got this, I was 252. Now I'm like 218, 219. So I'm just, trying to live a healthier life, look better, feel better, and anything that helped the process of my hair I was trying to do. So yeah, thank you. I appreciate you guys for watching. Look at this, man. If this doesn't persuade you, not just to go to Asli Tarcan, but just to make that step, or just, start saving that money, putting that money aside, not taking that vacation and using those days so that you can plan your hair transplant. Just do it. I've been on the other side of the camera. I used to watch Onagadin all the time and a couple other people. And I was that person. Man, I wish I can get it done. Maybe next year. Save up money this way. Take a vacation this way. And it's kind of crazy that I made it happen, and now I'm on the other side. And I've never had a hairline in my life like this. So make up a plan, stick to the plan, and get it done, man. So I'm out. I'll see you guys on my 11.5-month update. Maybe I'll change up the hairstyle. We'll see. Again, thank you for watching. See you guys later. Peace.